Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when x minus 4 by x is equals to under root of x plus 2 by under root of x, and we have to find the value of x plus 4 by x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm taking this left hand side as x minus 4 by x. So here I'm taking x as under root of x square. So it's look like under root of x square minus 4 over under root of x square, or 4 I can write 2 square over under root of x square. So under root of x square minus 2 over under root of x whole square. So here I can use the identity a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So we can write it as under root of x plus 2 over under root of x, or under root of x minus 2 over under root of x. So I'm going to replace the left hand side with this. So under root of x plus 2 over under root of x, or under root of x minus 2 over under root of x is equals to root x plus 2 over root x. Now I'm dividing both the sides with under root of x plus 2 over under root of x. So it's look like x plus 2 over under root of x and here under root of x minus 2 over under root of x over root of x plus 2 over under root of x. On the right hand side also under root of x plus 2 over under root of x divided by under root of x plus 2 over under root of x. So we can eliminate this. So what is left? Under root of x minus 2 over under root of x is equals to 1. So if I'll do square both sides, so it's look like under root of x minus 2 under root of x whole square is equals to 1 square. So it's look like x under root of x square plus 2 over under root of x square minus 2 times of under root x times 2 times of under root x is equals to 1. Now we eliminate this. So under root of x square is x plus 2 square is 4, and under root of x is x minus 4 is equals to 1. So x plus 4 over x is equals to 1 plus 4. So x plus 4 over x is equals to 5. So the value of x plus 4 over x is equals to 5. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. And if you find it useful, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.